Hello, here's another update video for Marduk. It rained a bit recently, so things are a little wet and I'm a little reluctant to do a full test today. Maybe tomorrow if it doesn't rain. Van's a bit in the way because I was unloading my groceries last night and I'm too lazy to move it. So, while waiting for things to maybe dry out a bit, I've added a hand. You might recognize this from one of the previous videos when I had it operated electrically. I sort of combined it with the previous sort of PVC claw. So it's bolted onto the frame inside the forearm. And it is actuated by Bowden cables. At the moment I only have the finger hooked up, and technically it's not really fully hooked up because, well, I'll get to that in a second. But I've got ropes going up into the forearm where they connect with little elbows. They have little Bowden anchors, and it connects to the back of the elbow, which then goes up and inside of the cockpit. We'll go up there in a second. I'll show you exactly why it's technically not hooked up yet. When I was installing the cables, I forgot to put a loop on the end, so it's just got these little nubs right here. So I gotta pull on that with a pair of pliers, which I will show you in just a moment. So you can see, with the cutaway shot I'm gonna be doing, I grab this and yank. Yeah. We'll cut away to the finger wiggling around. And that's on one of the Waldo arms, so you can, eventually there will be a loop on there, so you just pull it with your finger, around this way, pull it with your finger, and it will move the big fingers. It will be entirely mechanical, so it technically won't be able to hold big things, but eventually can put like a bit of PVC right here, so then could like slot a sword in right in between the thumb and finger, so it looks like he's holding the sword, which is, oh, I brought it inside, so. But hopefully things get a little drier and I'll be able to do a test. You can see that I've already rotated the torso a bit in order to get the bendy bolt on there and unbended. So we'll take a look at that. You see, I've got a nice thick hex head bolt instead of a machine screw, with some metal plates to act as a sort of giant washer to more evenly spread the load, and hopefully that will spin properly, but that will be in another video. So, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.